Hello, this is Engineer Rodolfo Ocati from Haro, Iloilo City, Philippines. Today we have this three-moment equation, the sixth lecture series, given this two-span beam, the given EI 10 to the times 10 to the 9 kilonewton meter square, then the settlement given as 5 mm or 0.005 meter. The basic equation of the three moment is this one. It is a very long formula, so I will not discuss this anymore. Then the three moment equation, consider always two span at a time. You consider only two span to analyze or substitute in this equation. So if we consider the span XAB, if there is a fixed support, we always place X or imaginary span here on the left. So the two span is named as XAB. On the left we have imaginary span. So that substitute to this basic equation, the moment on X is 0, then twice the moment at the middle of XAB or moment at A. Then the span is L1 plus L2, 0 plus 5. Plus the moment on the right is this one. Moment on the right is moment at B times 5. Then the constant, the first constant is the imaginary or 0. This is 0, so I did not place anymore this 0 here. Then the second constant is 6 over L2 or 5. The second span of XAB is AB or 5. Then the moment by parts is the area is 1/2 80 by 5 is 1 80 by 5. The centroid from B is 2/3 of 5. The origin of the measurement of the centroid, if we consider the moment by parts on the right, the origin must be on the right. On the left, since this is imaginary here, there is no moment. The origin must be on the left. The figure on the left must be have the origin on the left. On the right, the origin must be on the right also or at B. So this is the centroid of this is 2/3 of 5. Then minus 1/2 this triangle on the bottom. 1/2 80 by 2. The distance from B is 3 plus 2/3 of 2. 3 plus 2/3 of 2. So then equate that to the settlement. Okay, 6 EI, okay, the EI given above, 6 EI then divided by 10 to the 6, since the unit is kilonewton meter square, mm square, mm convert to meter, we divide this by 1000, then square or 10 to the 6. Then it's over L, we don't have the H over L on the left. Okay. Then minus 0.005 5 mm divided by 5. Now, why negative? The origin for XAB, the center one is A. Now, B is lower by 5 mm. A is higher, B is lower. So, we are referring to the settlement at B lower than A. So, it is negative 0.005 divided by 5. Okay. So, sometimes this is negative, sometimes positive. It depends. So, simplifying 10 MA plus 5 MB, the constant here on the left, this is on the right. The constant on the left is this one. Then constant on the right, the settlement is this one. So, simplifying, transfer this negative, transfer on the right. So, 10 MA plus 5 MB is equal to minus 444. And this is equation 1. Then, another equation, since we have two unknowns, moment at A and moment at B, we have to have two equations to solve for the moment at A and B. Another equation, if we consider the span ABC, a real beam ABC. So, moment at A, substitute to the basic equation. Moment at A is unknown times 5 plus twice the middle moment, or B twice moment at B, the sum of the two span, 5 plus 4, then plus the moment at C on the right. Now the moment at C is 0, so I did not place anymore the 0 here, plus 0, then plus, okay, the formula 6 over this one, the first constant, 6 over 5, okay, times the area of on the left. We have two span, we have two moment by parts on the left and on the right. So that is why we have two constant, left and the right. So on the left, 6 over 5 times 1/2 80 by 5. The distance on the left is 1/3 of 5. Now the origin of the centroid for the moment by parts on the left, the origin must be on the left. The origin of the centroid on the right must be also on the right. Okay, so the origin of this triangle is on the left, 1/3 of 5, minus this 1/2 80 by 2 times the distance of 1/3 of 2, or 2/3, 1/3 of 2. Then on the right, 6 over L2, or 4. Then the area 1/2 96 by 4 times the distance on the right, 1/3 of 4, 1/3 of 4 from here up to the centroid, minus this lower parabolic 1/3 96 by 4. The distance is 1/4 of 4, or 1/4 of 4. Then the constant on the right of equality, 6 over EI. EI is also the same as above, 10 times 10 to the 9 divided by 10 to the 6. Then, okay, these two settlement positive. Okay, why positive? We have the span ABC, 2 span. B is lower by 5 mm. So the origin is always on the middle part. B is lower by 5 mm compared to A and C. So A is higher by 5 mm. C is higher by 5 mm with respect to B. B is lower than A and C. So that is why these two are positive. H over L, or H is the deformation 0.05 divided by 5 for the first span. The second span 0.005 in meters divided by 4. So we have this constant of the settlement. Now simplifying 5 MA, this is 18, okay, this is 18. Then the constant, the first constant is this 336. The second constant is 192. Equate that to the constant of the settlement 135. Positive, all positive. So transfer all the constant on the right. This is higher than this, so negative, minus 393. And this is now equation 2. We have two equation and we have two unknown, MA and NB. Solving for the simultaneous equation, we have moment at A is minus 38.8839. Moment at B is minus 11.0323. Usually, the moment at the support is negative. So, moment at A negative, moment at B is negative, moment at A negative, moment at B negative. Usually, this is negative. Simplification as a check to your solution. This must be always oftentimes negative, because moment at A oftentimes negative, moment at B at the support negative. Okay, to solve for the reaction, consider this cut section at B. On the left, we have AB. Look only on the left of the cut section at B. The moment at A is negative, so it is counterclockwise. Moment at B is also negative, counterclockwise. It is negative whenever the beam that appears that there is cracking on the top, the moment is negative. So counterclockwise tend to break the beam on the top, or there is a crack on the top of the beam if we have this rotation. On the right, we have this rotation due to 40. On the left, moment at A is negative. Moment at B is also negative. It is clockwise. Okay, so this moment negative seems that there is a breaking of the top fiber of the beam at B. Negative, it is clockwise against this positive counterclockwise rotation of the 40, like that. So the moment at B is like that. So there is a cracking on the top of beam at B. So these two moment at A are opposite with this moment at B. Okay. To solve the reaction at A, moment at B is equal to 11.032. Okay. Sum up all the moment on the left must equal to the moment on the right. On the right is minus 11.032. Okay, the moment on the left is 5 RA, this is clockwise, minus 40 times 3, this is counterclockwise with respect to B. RA is positive. Now the moment at A is in this direction, the same direction as the 40. Moment at A is minus the same direction as this 40, minus 38.884. Equate that to the sum of the moment at B, which is minus 11.032. Okay, solving for RA, this is 29.5703. We have only one unknown. Then to solve for the reaction at C, cut section at B, consider the cut segment on the right, BC. So there appear the moment at B as counterclockwise at B. There is no moment at C. So that RC times 4 take moment at B. RC times 4 going like that. Minus 12 times 4 times distance of 2 from here up to the centroid. 12 times 4 times 2, and equate that to the moment at B, minus 11.032. We have one unknown, RC. Solving for RC is 21.2419. Then consider the whole span. ABC. I want to solve RB. RA is known, RC is known, moment at A and moment at B are known. Only we have one unknown, RB. So that for the whole span, moment at A or pivot at A, we have RB times 5, okay, plus the reaction at C, 21, this one, 21.2419 times 9 minus uniform load of 12 times 4, distance from A, 5 plus 2 or 7, minus 40 times 2. 40 times 2 is equal to the moment at A, or minus 38.8839. So that solving for RB, we have only one unknown here. RB is 37.1877 kilonewton. Okay, so we have solved now the three reactions. Solve the two moment at A and at B. Then drawing the shear and moment diagram, you have this. Okay, values. Now the topics on how to construct this shear and moment diagram is under the strength of material, and I will not discuss this anymore. Okay, and that completes now the solution of this problem with settlement. Now if we remove the settlement, or if we consider settlement at B as 0, just an ordinary three-moment equation, the solution is very simple. The equation for the first equation is the same. Okay, this one above. The first equation, this one, there is minus 60 for the settlement. Here, if we remove the settlement equal to 0, no more settlement, the equation 1 simplifies to this constant minus 384, equation 1. Then equation 2, we remove also the settlement. Then the constant now is minus 528, equation 2. These two equation now will be solved by simultaneous equation, and the answer for moment at A is minus 27.5613. Moment at B is 21.6774 kilonewton meter. Then solving for the reaction similar to the discussion above, only the moment are different. Okay, moment at A, moment at B, these two, this one. So RA is 25.1768. Then consider a BC, the same concept, only change the value of the moment at B. So RC is 18.5806. Then for the whole span, I solving for RB. Okay, the same pattern, the same solution, only that the moment you change the moment, this and this. So RB is 44.246. The drawing of the shear and moment diagram is almost the same, similar to this, but the values are different. For no settlement. Okay, that ends the discussion for the settlement and no settlement for the beam. Actually, we solved two beams with settlement and no settlement. Okay, in order to challenge you, I have here two problems, the same figure, only that the value of P is now changed. Instead of 40 and 12, 40 and the 12 for concentrated load and uniform load, change that to 50 and 10. Then the dimension A and B is equal to 3. Previously these are 2 and 3. So new problem, A and B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, and the settlement is 8, given settlement at 8. The answer for moment by parts 150 and 80. Then the two moments are this. Then the reaction. You solve this and follow this if you got it right. Moment here, the two. Read the answers for you. Just check if you know the solution. Then the second problem, we have this also. Change the P and the W to 30 and 8. A is 3, B is 2. So you reverse the dimension of A and B. C is 4. Settlement at B is 12 mm. The answers, we have this. Okay, I hope you understand this, and I hope you learn how to solve the 3-moment equation with settlement. And be sure to subscribe for this series of session lecture. It will help me in order to propagate more lectures in the future. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you. That's all for now.